One of the first places that we came across was an abandoned California agricultural station. This was used during the 1920s to about the 1950s, maybe early 1960s.
Vandals got to it. I'm gonna do some exploring. Hello? So we got some cool stuff here, but as you can see, some homeless people have been here. Careful, there's a lot of bird poop right here.
Many people think that this is a train station or a train depot of some sort, but that is not true here.
But as you can see, people probably used to wait here. Hello? Oh, a lot of bird poop. A lot of pigeon poop. A lot of pigeons. So the battery on my gimbal just died, but I still wanted to give you guys a shot of this.
This agricultural station was popular due to old Highway 80 running into Yuma, so therefore this station was needed. However, since the new highway was built, this station was no longer needed and it was left abandoned. Thanks for watching, everyone, and part 2 of our Arizona trip will be coming up to you shortly.